All right, Herbie Hancock. Well, something is different. Something is new. What's going on? Why is he so tall? How come his arms are straight on the table instead of like this? Don't spill it. Ooh. My transformation is almost complete. I've got new headphones. Got a new chair. I got to get glasses, and then I'll be a new man. 2025 man. Oh, look at that. Very nice. The armrests are adjustable enough that they can go under the table. The table is like a thick thing in front of it. And it goes right under, so. Oh, my back is feeling better already. I think I've got really strong placebo. Very nice. I'm very happy about this. I'm so much higher. I'm like looking down to the center of my monitors, whereas before I was like my eye level is like right here. Probably you could see that on my last stream as I'm sitting like down here with my arms like spread out. You're not supposed to do that. I'm feeling tall at my desk. My feet are sort of hovering with the toes on the ground. I wonder if that's suboptimal. This is a pretty high desk, so. All right, what communications am I receiving? Very nice, very nice. This is a nice song. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Oh, gotta keep good posture. I think this is great. I can't wait to like get up from my chair and not have a kink in my back, a crinkle. All right. Ooh, I wonder what the bee hopping experience is, cause like that's gonna be like reaching. I guess I need to move the mouse pad. I'll probably drop in skill. I'll probably need to bring it like right up to the front of the desk. I should get a 10 keyless keyboard as well. A 10 keyless sounds better for bHop. Am I glowing? Like, I feel great. My full body in the frame of the camera. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's just the wrong one. Okay, so what are we looking at for this stuff? Okay. Upload more scripts to the database. Oh, you know what I need to do is put code from the map fixer into the review tool, because it's not the same. Well, actually, it's a legacy operation. It's converting the files into a database. I guess I can go backwards as well. I don't hear tape. You know my bubble wrap. Oh my god, there's so much tape. Okay, whatever. So what am I talking about? So there's the submissions database. This is a database of submissions. There's the scripts database. Guess what that is? And then there's the script policy database. And the policy means if you see this script, replace it with that script. And that's a replacement policy. There's an allowed policy. So this is the script. If you see the script, it is allowed as is. Block, delete. So that's what there is. Where was I going with this? There's two tools I have. Oh, I gotta get used to not holding my arms up. Yes, it should be in here. Here, yeah, so see how this is the script upload branch. I wrote this code, and it grabs the files. So it's a folder structure. Scripts. So there's the different policies, and then inside there's hundreds of scripts. Interesting. And so this is the file representation of the policies. And then if we log into the database, where is it? I don't know. I think it's 29. Maybe I can do this. Yay. That's right. Alpine. Let's go. Okay. So I want to... Oh, there it is. So this is how many script policies have the policy 1. And what is the policy 1? Script policy. Okay, it's going to be model. Policy 1 is allowed. Okay, so how many are there? There's 545. Okay, so the policy upload should deduplicate all of the scripts and only upload them once, and it should also deduplicate all the policies. But that is not tested. So if we go here, oh no, I have to go to the other place. This guy, give me that. Oh, I also have to do this. So if I do this and I do did I compile a different version? I guess I did. Yeah. Huh. I mean, it's not that much code. I mean, I kind of want to rewrite it as well. I would love to sit here and write code. It's always my goal. Blah. Bubble wrap. Okay, so what are my options? I've got this repository. Actually, I don't think I have cloned it yet. Oh. This guy. Give me that. Sure. Yahoo. And then we do map service. Yes, sir. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so what is in here is an interactive review via the command line terminal. So that's already how I review scripts. But doing it with this tool, the map fixer, it is interacting with those files that I showed earlier. It's like creating a file in the replace folder, creating a file in the allowed folder, etc. Whereas the remote review tool would be the same sort of process for me. I would be like reviewing scripts via the terminal, but it writes it to a remote database rather than to just files on my computer. And ideally this would be a web page, but I can't force anyone to make that, and I don't know how to make it, so I'll work with what we got and hope that it gets created at some point. We have submission creation and the submission page, and that should be enough as long as I can review scripts. The administrator can click the buttons and it can go through the review process, and then it can get uploaded. And it's all tested. It's just my review process. So what I'm struggling with right now is, should I take these comments on this branch and put them into the review tool? Because what this is it synchronizes the files to the database. So it goes, oh, do these scripts exist? No? Okay, create them. They do exist? Okay, we're good. And that's great. Oh, right. So I think I was going to move it in because it doesn't have like wacky dependencies. Actually, no, it does have wacky dependencies. Because I need to... Oh, no, never mind. Right, it only reads the files. It doesn't read the Roblox files. Life is Roblox. So that's something. Okay. Well, why don't I give that a gander then? So I'll take this URL, add it as a second remote for this, call it something, and then fetch this, and it should populate. So I can zoink these comments and try to put them on top of here. Maybe I'll make a branch as well. Sure. Supload. Oh, I am enjoying this chair. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Ooh. All right. So it should just be these comments. These should all be there. Cherry pick. And then it'll say, actually, you're a stoopy head. And then I have to figure it out. Okay. At the top here, use futures. Yeah. So, okay, I do believe that's what we want. So, left. Basically, I'll take left and then, is it good at the bottom? Okay. Well, that was easier than I thought. Oh, it even knew how to do that. Wow. Okay, so I've got the other command onto the new tool. So it can stay off of the other tool. That's great. Great. Okay. So what happened to the source code? Let's take a look. The source code. I'm hacking into the source. Okay, so where is it? It's right here. It's called R review. There it is. Wow. Okay, so I imagine there could be some duplicate code here. So we've got this review that is completely untested. I wrote this on December 22nd, sitting next to my grandma watching a hockey game. Aren't I great? Yeah, there's no information about the script. Okay, so that's great. I wrote that. So I guess I kind of want to separate the commands into their own files. I think that would be neat. Unique Unork. Should I do that? Basically, I'd move a lot of stuff out of the main file. The main file would basically look like that. I love small main file. It's good. I forgot that from the comment. Yeah. Does it have an error? Okay, so it's not gonna. Oh. Yeah, it's not a real type. Okay, so I need an error because a result is not real. This function is also not real. Okay, I got my work cut out for me. Screw it. I'm in a good mood. I'm gonna do like a refactor to like make it try and give it some folder structure. Wow, I feel amazing. Like I'm not destroying my body. Okay. So what have I done so far? I see. Yeah, so this should be part of this. Something like that. Oof. Okay. Oof. And that goes to this guy. Excuse me. So I'll need the other files as a reference. Oof. Excellent, excellent. Good. Okay. Right. So common stuff. Okay. New folder called this. That's how you do it, right? And then just move like everything there. So I wonder if having the oh, did we forget to have that? Oh, what the hell? Ah. Oh. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, there it is. What's up with that? I got to have the thing. File has changed. That's unfortunate. Oh. Hmm. Neither of these are valid. Yeah. Sure. We can just do all at once. I what do I like? I like it when I can add a new operation to the program and have all of the code for it in one place. For example, on the game RPC, if I want to add a new database operation, the all of the code for it goes in one file. It's got I make the function that does the actual work, and it also within the same file has the line of code that adds it to the like multiplexer of like operation chooser. So I want to do operation XYZ, and then I add another operation you can do. So that's kind of like this. So this is like what commands can you do from the command line. And upload, it's more like sync, but it's a one-way sync. So upload. Blah. I think So I'm struggling. Should I put the command objects that describe the command line parameters in the same file as they are used as like the actual logic, or should I put them all in one spot, which is this command doodad here? And so, I mean, it's not a lot of code, so basically I take this and put it right here, put her there, and then that's great. So this would be like mod cmd. Mod RS. I see. I got it wrong. Great. So that's just great. Hmm. So. Use CMD. Oh, it's not public. I see. Do like this. Private. Oh my god. Oh. I guess I could actually make this into like an impl on the object. Does that make any sense? Does that let me do anything fancy? Urgh. Because like all these functions are going to be somewhere else, so I'm always going to have to like qualify the function call with the location. Hold on. I can do it actually. I can put it on the command object inside. But like there could be some that have nothing. Well, I could just have an empty struct. Hmm. Is that a good idea? So if we look at the other one, Raher. So these have no tagged union like enum item rusty algebraic types. So I couldn't attach a function to an object if there is no object there. So then how would I do that? I guess I would just have to qualify the function. I'm going to apply heat. All right, where's the lumbar? my. Ooh. Is that better or is that better? I don't know. Where is the lumbar supposed to go? Lumbar. Uh. Oh no. Medical diagrams. So the lumbar is like just right there. Okay. So that's like right on. Cool. Cool. I got the lumbar. Okay, so this is not an important decision. It will work no matter which way I do it. And if I don't like it, I can change it. It is simply an unimportant decision. Parse. Is there something further? Oh. Parser. Example. Wait, am I dumb? Yes, okay. Ooh. Parse. Okay, so that. What, the tarnation? Oh, I see it's infallible. That's whack. Okay. That's interesting that you're allowed to do that. Have an enum with one item. Oh my god, dude. This chair feels so good. Oh. My god, my I can like imagine my back thanking me 20 years from now. What a treat. So there's only one doodad. So this is all well and good. What I'm worried about is the code after, and there's no code after there. So okay, I was wondering if there was some sort of like execute trait business, and it would be like, oh, you can just call command execute, and then it executes the command. But it seems like that is not the case. So I guess it comes down to how can you have like a trait impl that's different for every enum variant. Mm-hmm. Hmm. 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 Yeah, so they suggest just putting little structy guys in there, like I was already thinking. Enum dispatch. Exactly the same type. Yes. Wait. Dynamic dispatch. 10x the speed. No way. Trait method. Hmm. Ugh. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I am spending too much time on this. Split up an enum. Bruh. Okay, so so there's kind of this like function here, or like a block that transforms the command object into the arguments to the function. Execute. Do it. So it sort of turned into a standardized name function. Ooh. I need to stop thinking about this and start making the code work. Okay, maybe I'll just forget about it for now and drop my changes. Um, and let's go back to this. Get out of here. All right, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So now I need to define the functions that are not defined. Right. So this actually is this using the old module? Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Right. So I was gonna test it before I publish the version, but I could just publish it again. Right. But like it's easier to just test it. Where is this? All right. So now it'll actually build, and it'll tell me all the errors. Yay! So notably, these functions don't exist. Notably, I need a error variant, much like this one. Oh, do I have more code here? I do. Oh, okay. So that fixes that. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. What up? What is it? Friggin'. Yeah, I don't know. IO. I thought it was this. Okay, whatever. It's not in core. Interesting. Great. Okay, so where should I do the enome? How about right here? That's a lot of backslashes. Okay, so this is script upload error. Yeah. Script upload error. And then that's great. So basically, I'll just remember them honestly. So basically, I start at the top. This is a script upload error. Could do with less talking, but oh, is it a trait? Let's see. No. Okay. Okay, so IO error. IO. Um. Yep. Ooh. Okay. So what the heck is up with this? stdio read. Rather just do this. I'll just go. Right. That means I'll need to have it be like this. you. And then I get to do like this, and it should be another error of the same type. Okay. Should be fine, right? And then this can be the next error type. Invalid header value. Desired cookie. Interesting. It's effectively the same, but I've done them completely differently. Oh, it's the internal one. Oh. Okay, so I'm effectively calling the like it's an external function, but using the internal IP. That's pretty goofy. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Hmm. Why is this a steering? I guess it's because it steals it. Oof. Whatever. I just need to like make it work. So that should work. Okay, these functions don't exist. Is this also a set? Oh. Funny thing is, this like took less than a second. Like it's already abongulously fast to read 1,000 files. Okay, what error is this? We'll just copy it from above. Require. Really? New context is. Okay. Oh, but that's not good. Wait, why was that highlighted then? Okay, another error down. Uh, uh, yeah, I think it's fine. This being separate. Okay, so I gotta reference the other code. I should really just copy the whole thing. Where it is. Yeah, so it's right here. So I just go copy it all and we're done. ID, I don't need ID. So create these functions. How do that? Script upload error. I'm gonna smack them right here. So why does it fail to grab that guy? I hate that. Look at this beauty. Incredible. As ref. Insert. All right, so I can make this different. Tokyo, FS, DS, read dir. Is it the only way to do it? Is there like a do everything function? Looks like there's not. So I can say path sref path w, okay, and then isn't that just great? So this is a asynchronous function. It it does something. Something happens. It is a thing. I think there's only IO errors here, so we'll do like this. What is up? Oh, it's not an async function. Silly. Yep, this is an impl. And then this is not the correct return type. just great. Okay, so reader next entry. So is this like unfold? Is that what I want? I got no idea. So I want a futures iter. Okay, I see. Okay, this is actually generator. You could actually use the generator syntax here, but it would have to be an asynchronous generator. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. No way. Yield. Uh. So, yes, iter generator stuff. It's a function that yields items. Stream from, is there like from function or something like that? Um, Yeah, this isn't using the futures crate. Futures stream. Then. No, this isn't what I want either. Ooh. Trait. Yeah. So. So what? Should I just say like, oh, wait a second. Like this thing is almost exactly. Can I just like impl? I don't know. I feel like implementing traits would be beneficial. Like the last time I used this, it was whack. Iter. Like I have and I have a function that I have an asynchronous function that yields the next item, and I want to make a future stream. All right. Let's see if chat can come up with something. I am programming in Rust. Sustainable living practices. How can I create a futures stream from a Tokyo reader object in Rust? Let's see what it comes up with. Whoa, 2 at once. Unfold. So it's got unfold over here. So this is while let. So this is not a stream. Reader stream. Hey, yo. Oi, 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 oi. Tokyo stream. Oi, 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 oi. Yes. So this is like what I did last time. And like, look at how wacky the like error bits are. This is pretty concise though. It's kind of nice. Yeah. And it just goes zoink and that's it. So that's pretty nice. So like, my old code looks, it has like this there. I'm just gonna steal it, honestly. Mine now. So it takes one of these and gives you one of those. Impl stream. It's a bit whack, but okay. So many spaces, man. I mean, I could pull up my code, but it's basically exactly the same, but like it's already done, so it's nice. Oof. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So I go like async function doesn't even. I don't think it needs to actually be an async function. I think this is just a regular function. Stream. Wow. And then I just call this, and we got the guy. We go like, we don't even need to, we can just do it all in one big chain call. Isn't that going to be great? Okay, redo, well, yeah, we need this. And then dot collect. Yay! And it's done for sure, for real. Dir entry hash set string. Okay, dir entry. True. Okay, so we do need map. All right. So this is a guy. Probably we're gonna need to do this. For dir. It's a something. Question mark. Then we have a dir entry. Then we go entry dot. So I expect. I know. Interesting. So I just want to zoink a file from it. So I just want to like say, yes, it's a file, and then read the file. So we can go read to string, and then just like that, wait, and done. Oh, you need the string? No. Takes one argument. Which function? What did he say? This function takes one argument. I see. This errors are. This is the fun I was talking about. All right, the bottom of my thighs are starting to feel the pressure, the weight. Keep my toes on the floor. I might have to lower the chair, or maybe I can get a block, a footrest. Ooh. Do I have something? I'm gonna look around. It's gotta be something. All right. Well, this is the best I got. I've got this dirty old air fryer that I found in the garbage a year ago. Lots of backstory. And I can put the pillow on top. Actually, I'm going to wipe the top of it off. And then I have the ultimate footrest. Ultimate. Okay, is that gonna work? Chair is a bit high, but the table is also high. Okay, that's now the footrest is a bit high. Ooh. Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. Okay. My legs are like on the footrest. Okay. How does one work futures stream? Is it try collect? Okay, we got try collect. Okay, so result string error. Shouldn't this just work? So I'd have to say like, oh, result. And then it's like, oh, I see. Oh, hold up. Do I have to go awa? I think I do, but do we do? Where was it? What was it the last time I used it? Let's see. Wait, it's just down there. Okay. Hash map. So I just was like, steer. That like looks exactly right. Oh, do I need to do like this business? Maybe I do. Why don't we try that? Yeah. Abound. Ababa. Okay, expected. Oh. Okay, what if I go like... Ah! Okay. Ooh. Well, that's something. R E sure. What should it be? Is it usize? Surely it's usize. I think that'll make the most sense. Let's see what they got. Usize. Let's go. Okay, so future streams always a pain, but that's all right. We got it. Okay, so this monstrosity will stream information about what files existed in the folder asynchronously into this function running asynchronously, reading files to strings asynchronously, concurrently, to try to like pipeline files into a hash set concurrently. Oof. Path file unwrap toaster unwrap parse. You can't parse a. I guess not. I mean, pretty cool. How was your Christmas? I've got a new chair. Santa was extremely generous this year. It is exactly what I wanted. So I'm doing great. Really great. Should. It's an async function. I bet this compiles out. Surely it can see through. Okay, so this is pointlessly fast for what's going on. So previously it took 0.2 seconds, and now it's going to take 0.1 second. Nice. I don't actually know how long it took. It never took long enough to matter. Okay, so now we do basically the same thing, but completely different. So I just need like this. I just need this bit. New. Alright, whatever. I'll just blast it. Okay, this is now an async function. So what I got to do here is do this. Oh, well, there's more ways this can fail now. So does this have a special flavor? Okay, option. Okay, what about this guy? Option. And then this is a question mark. Ooh. Okay, so I need a big chungus error for this then. So this is like parse bingus something something error. Get map error. I don't know. Cool. Okay, and then so what do we got first? We've got your standard IO error. std IO error. Standard IO error. And then we got file stem, and there's no information about that. And then to stir, and there's also no information about that, but that's fine. We also got parse int, and that's parse int error. Yeah, do I have that? Hold up. What the hell? It's somewhere. Right, give me that. Qualify. Do it. Hooray. Okay, so now in here we go like let path equals path. Yep. And then but this is a error. Map error. Yes. This is a something error. So this is a something error. This is IO. Path buff. I guess. Okay. Okay. So now I do all this business before I read to the string, because if it doesn't work, then that's bad. So we do let id equals path.filestem. And then we do okay, or GME filestem. Wow. Question mark, and then do da toaster question mark da parse da this thing is a funny amount of question marking. Okay, and this is a map error parse int. What's your deal? Cannot find in the scope. Okay, I think I just didn't press S. So, and I question mark semicolon, and then we go path here. ID is on the left, and that is how you do. And that's the whole thing. Except it do like this. Baba booey. Closing delimiter. What's your deal? Why is there an extra one there? Okay. Question. IZ. Okay, I need the okay. Like this. Ah. So that's an IO error at the top. Does this know what this is? It does not know what this is. This is a freaking U32. Dang, it's gonna be spicy. It's being spicy at me. Stop it. S. Trait bound is not satisfied. It's a little bit cringe, don't you think? Oof. I am very not used to sitting so upright. Whew. Async. Why do it be doing like that? The other one works fine. Is there some kind of error problem? Do I need to like specify? Oh, this is a goober error. And that's like, oh yeah, no. STDIO error. I got it. Come on, man. I don't want to do this no more. Ugh. Question mark. God damn. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Okay. Let's do this. So it's not like that. Nice. Big beans. Okay. So that was extremely unclear, but I did figure it out in the end. Whew. So literally, it's the exact same thing, but these are reversed. Yeah. So literally I just do like this, and it's done. Source, ID, done. Oof. And then this is a GME, and that's it. Async function. Okay, I have lived my dream of concurrentizing these simple functions that did not need to be made concurrent. Great job. Time wasted successfully. Okay, so then down here, now these guys are async. Wait. What? What? And then I forgot I can do even better. They'd have different errors though. Dang. That's fine. Yar. Okay. So we're like let Baba Booey equals, oh god, this underscore result question mark semicolon. Nice. Why don't I make a little airman for each one? So what should I call it? I mean, this should probably be called set. Rename. Ooh, okay, so zoink this and put it right here. So these guys are like yeah. So set map. So this is like GME. Yes, sir. And then fix this. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yoink, 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 yoink. Sploink, 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 sploink. Where'd it go? There it is. Map error. Sue. Like that. Did I put it on the wrong error? What's up? Cycle detected. I did put it on the wrong error. Nice. Okay. Where's my error? Dude, where's my error? There we go. Oh my godness. Okay, so isn't that just great? We can asynchronously load up all these files at the speed of light. It'll take 0.0001 fewer seconds. And it only took me an hour and 40 minutes. Is there an error here? What the hell? Question mark. Oh, yeah, that's the wrong one. Okay, next. What is up? Gawk error. Okay. So get or create policy for each script in each category. Does this depend on each other? Okay, so all it depends on is the ID. So this is the deduplication step, and then these could be run. Oh, look. This is kind of a different value. Okay, we'll do something like this. Oof. So it should be like this. And I can say which one it is. So this is what? This is the Gawk. Gawk. Okay, and then we have the different policies. So we got replace, allowed, blocked. So this is like sync policy. It's like upload policy, something like that. It's like block. What is it? What do I call it? Oof. New chair? Oh, yes. Absolutely. How do I do this? Right, I just need to come up with a name, and then I'm chilling. And I'm done. Get her done. So it's like the actual interaction with the policy stuff. What is the error? Do policy Gawk error. It's still a Gawk error. Okay. Get or create. Okay, so there's 3 different policies. Share a Christmas gift. Yeah, Santa was extremely generous. This is like a outrageously nice chair. Best of the best. It's exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna actually giga concurrent this because I like doing that. So we go like this. So they're all Gawk error. Endurance buff. It's a bit, I'm not used to it. It's definitely different. Okay, so I think these are empty. Result. Okay, well, can I? So this does a Gawk error. So, okay, so I can transform the error inside. And then I can do try join. So I can go like, yeah, Tokyo. Well, I mean, it's supposed to, I think that's good. Tokyo, try join. Then we do replace, allow, and then question mark, semicolon, bada boom. And what I yabba dabba do here is grab this and this guy right there. So this is replace. And then, so now it's differentiated. Hooray. So this is so overbuilt, it's not even funny. It will asynchronously crawl all the files in the directory. So scripts allowed. It'll like read all these at the speed of CPU. Well, up to 16 at a time per set. I'm gonna rename this. Holy moly. And then that's it. I did it. Async refactor ish. It's more like implement it proper. Not bad. Yahoo! Okay. Whew. So I don't have this thing. Is it called that? Yes, it is. VV nice. Okay. Well. Okay, so I have moved the code into the review tool. Right, all the stupid allowed ed code. I don't know, because like I have unwrap here, and unwrap does read the enum. So I don't know why it's like that. It's annoying. Whew, okay. I wonder if it'll work first try. It depends on so much stuff. So much stuff has to go right. I doubt it. But it sure is confidence inducing to Reddit and Rust. Okay, so I builded it. It is builted. It's got the LTO. Ooh, there's a little. Ooh. Okay, well that was unnecessary. I only have to use this once, and I spent 2 hours on it. But I had a good time. It was fun to make. Great. I think I just put this together because that's what it is. Huh? Oh. I'll just drop it then. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is just the code. Fine. Okay. Yeah, this does need to have a thing. An URL. Why don't I turn it into a config? So here's the review config. We'll do the upload config. And it'll have cookie and who else? URL. Woo. Okay, and then, so that's like this. Config. Upload config. Wahoo. And then this is config.session-id. And this is config.url. And then why is it still building? Strong. Something like that. So why is this okay with that? Shouldn't it be not okay with that? Oh, it's because I don't have the thing. Okay, I see. Sure, I can pop that. Okay. So we'll do, just put this here. Hooray. Oh, file. Good God. Okay, so, I mean, the other one was just gonna do it like this, so. Yeah, we can just do it like this. Just say, wow, there it is. Hooray. And then that gets rid of one of the error variants. read cookie IO. And then what is up? Yeah. Change it to do like this. I mean, it is session ID. It's not the cookie. ED. Okay. Anybody having a problem? Okay, so I can split this up. I can go like, ooh, I'm the guy. So this is the new stuff. Uh-oh. And this is changes to the old stuff. Why is it like that? Ay, ay. So that's also that. Okay, this is all the stuff here. Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Oof. Okay. So then we go like this, and that becomes part of that. And then now it's the same, but completely different. Ridiculous. What to do, what to do, what to do. I need to test it. Test. I can't sit in a bad posture. I'm prevented from doing so. The fun part is over. Now I have to actually test it. Oh, I just want to write the code. I don't want to run the code. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so we're right here. We're not gonna use the map fixer. We're gonna use the R review. Whoa. TT. So what does this do? It does review and upload scripts. upload scripts. Help. No way. You need the session ID and the API URL. API URL. Okay. Oh, so this is the service. The service. This is, yes. Okay, so we do. Is there any like weird stuff I need to? Yes. So I need this. Bop. What? Do I need both of these? Well, I'm not building the web, so should be fine. Okay, bop. We got this. Okay, so now I can sync them. So we just 2 hours ago, I counted the number of script policies on the database. It's 545. On December 23rd, I reviewed 110 new scripts. So there should, if I synchronize it, it shouldn't make 600 new scripts. It should go, oh, those ones are already there. And then make like 110 new scripts, ideally. But this is completely untested. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. So why don't we do Docker compose up? Do I need to do anything? Like I'm just testing. Damn, it all works. That's so insane. Okay. So API URL is this guy, HTTP localhost 8083, and then session ID is empty string. Oof. Don't tell anyone I did that. Just kidding. It's because I'm using the internal API, which doesn't require authorization. If I was actually doing it remotely, it would spam it and fail. So I probably need to like figure that out. But here we go. This is gonna absolutely blast everything. I see. Okay, you want it like this. Okay, this is gonna like go crazy. Wow. There's so much that just happened. Wow, it looks like it worked first try. Let's count the policies. There should be like 600. Yay! It didn't duplicate it. Okay, wow. First try. I mean, the code kind of already ran before, but I just refactored it. So that's crazy. That was so fast. If you remember before, it took 2 seconds. This time it took like 1 second. Oh, that's so funny. Dude, I love async. It's so fun. Just like, it's so fearless. I can just be like, oh yeah, these things all run at once. Yep. Whereas when you're not doing that in Rust, you would be so stressed. It'd be Bug City, but not here. We don't do that here. Holy moly. Script policies. God damn. Okay, well, that was highly successful. What about the scripts? How many scripts? Yeah. So, all right. So the originals and the replacements are separate. You need to say the policy is change this script code into that script code, and you just completely replace the source. So you need both source codes on the database. Well, you don't actually, but it would be weird to not have the original source code on that database. So I sort of implicitly require it, because in order to create a script policy, you must point to two different scripts, or point to the same script twice. Ugh. I guess it actually is possible to create an invalid policy. That sucks. Stupid. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Omega lol. Rust is such a crazy language. It's absolutely insane that you can just go run it concurrently. Go do it. And it goes. Lumbar. I need like a like low footstool. Maybe that thing would work. Dusty as well. Did I drink the coffee? I did. Oh, alright, this thing is too tall. Get out of here. Ew. Gross. Alright, what even is this? Sherlock Holmes puzzle case. I'll be using Sherlock Holmes puzzle case as a footstool. Very dusty, like my whole house. I solved all these puzzles the instant I got them. Alright, how about that? Oof. I mean, it's something. My feet are on the ground, or on the stool, I guess. What's the opposite of copied? our position. From the right. So I want like the opposite of copied. I guess I should scroll down. Cloned. Can I do like as ref? I guess I can do string as stir. That would probably work. I mean, that's exactly what it is. Okay, so it probably produces the exact same code. Okay, that was a decent rewrite. Oh. Ooh, okay, so I shouldn't need this anymore because I've got all the code. And I can put this on the master branch. Right, so right. Okay, so I tested that. Ooh, so now I can actually review. So like the review is completely remote. Oh, is it being? Am I stupid? Yeah, it's a hard coded URL, isn't it? Yeah. Hooray. Do it again. Okay, so yeah, I wrote this code on the 23rd, 22nd. I guess it was the 22nd. And I never tested it because I have to run the database and I couldn't do that anywhere else. Well, I mean, I could have, but it would have been a huge pain. Okay, so I don't think it actually needs to be run anywhere in particular. Review. Action. Right. I remember. There's no prompt whatsoever. Action. Yeah, no, it goes over here, don't it? Action. Current. P. Part. This looks like... Okay, if I do this, will it kill us? Yes, it will. Nice. Okay, so what map is this? There is no way to know. Is there a base class for all the lighting effects? Let's see. No, we want Roblox class tree. Class reference, I guess. Proper oop. I think it's this one. Get out of here. Okay, this one's good enough. Okay, so we want to look at blur effect, post effect. Okay, so but then there's also like sky. Yeah. Okay. Hooray. Is a script. So I think I prefer the positive. Where like, do move it if it is exactly XY. Really what should have been done is that the effect should have put in the script, and then you could do script get children. That is nicer. Should I change it? So you see this non-local review is way less powerful. There'd be a lot of work involved to like be able to manipulate the DOM structure. Like it is possible. Like with a web page, I could have literally like a properties explorer object browser view and like manipulate it and then save changes. But like that's literally remaking Roblox Studio, which I'm gonna do that for the, well, I guess I won't necessarily have a DOM eventually. Remake Roblox Studio. Rewrite it in Rust. I was thinking about that problem. Like if you have object references and two tree structures, how do you minimally reparent objects to make one match the other? Like you could just record the actions taken of like which parents go to which things, but that's not necessarily the minimal delta. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube, where like there could have been a quicker path to the solution. You could have, instead of parenting it to this and then to that. You could have just parented it directly. I mean, so this is good enough, I think. Yeah, so I don't know what map it is. So why don't I just... I think I just quit at any time, and it's like, fine. Does Uppy have the... I don't think so. Okay, so... Okay, so there's the internal and external. The internal, does it have submissions? No, you can't just get a submission ID on the internal. Well, let's just do it. Well, maybe I'll look at the where policy equals 0. Okay, so there's 3 of these. Select select two. Okay. Right. Okay, well now I do need the web. Let's go look at it. Local man. Yeah, do it. What happened? Error. Auth. True. So true. So true. So this is what it looks like when you log in with Roblox. So you'll go to the website and it'll be like, all right, do this. You click on it and you're like, and you go like, okay, it's going to try to do 3 things. See what groups you're in. Read your user ID and read your username and this stuff. That's it. So it's not trying to write to your Roblox account. Risk level. It's the same page but summarized. There it is. So we can get rid of the old session. And now we go back here. We're going submissions 2. Oh. How do I know? Okay, select asset. Select everything from, what's the other databases? Submissions. Oh, is it maps? Am I stupid? Where ID equals 2. Oh, it did it. Asset ID. It's that. Okay. So we're gonna download it. And look at it. Bobux Studio. bhop_beach. Wait, real? Why would I choose this? This is like one of the worst maps ever. What's the start? I shouldn't say that. It's one of the OG maps. Why did I put this into the database? Okay, so it's doing something with the lighting. I don't understand. Why is it this model? Did it get changed? Who owns the asset? How do I go to Roblox? Oh, jeez. Give me that. Cool. Who did this? Oh. What? What? Why? I don't get it. I don't remember what I was doing. I don't know. I don't remember why I used this model. I don't remember how I was intending to test it. And I'm also not seeing the lighting script. Okay. Okay, so I shouldn't work too hard. Okay. Sky. Is the sky anything interesting? Or is it just an instance? I think it's just an instance. Okay. So, personally, I would prefer... something else. Excuse me. So this is review. So it goes boom. It grabs this remote script, and then I go Yahoo, and then I go if effect is a sky or effect is a post effect. I do believe that is the doobly. Yeah. Okay. So it's one of these. Okay. And then that makes a little more sense. Sure. Pass. So the number of policies where policy equals 0 should count. Should be 3, and then the number of policies where policy equals, was it 4? I think that's replace. Ooh. Policy. There it is. Replace equals 4. So this should go up when I do this. Ah! I see. It's wrong. No way. Hey, I changed the API. Without changing the goobers, huh? So this is actually like this now. So I guess I forgot to change that. I need the session ID, and I need to change the URL to the... Or maybe not. Yeah, no, I think I do. Because it's doing update policy. So I need the session ID, which should not be shared on the production version. So if you're using a website, don't do this. This means you can act as me. You are Quaternions. But the this is only running on my computer. So you'd have to hack into my computer first and then modify the database. That doesn't matter because it's only running on my computer and it won't be uploaded. So okay, so I have to change this to 8082. Wait. Is this calling the other one? I'm confusion. What happened? How did How did it 404 on this on okay, because it wait, how did it update script policy. Oh, okay, it's using the external with the internal. Gotcha. Okay. Wait. Did I just oh yeah, I did. Okay. So this actually yeah, so this is wrong and I should have changed the one at the bottom too right here. Okay, so that's basically why I didn't mint this version is because it's wrong. I was almost certain it would be wrong. Okay, give me that. Pass. Field required. Update script policy response. Field required. What did he say? So is that over here? It's over here. Okay, we need less. What? Why? Don't. Just leave it. Field required. What did he say? So I'm doing script policy. Update script policy. Okay. Yes. So this is totally Memboys. I don't know why that is called that. That's pretty dumb. Cool. Well, that was very dumb. None of the other ones are like that, as far as I know. Open uppy. So when you grab them by the ID. Okay, where's okay, it's post submission create. Like I'm pretty sure this has just ID. No, submission update. Wait, what? Oh, right. Okay, script. Script update, required ID. So it's just ID. Like it's obvious. Okay, cool. So obvious. Okay, so grab this again. Run that boy. We want that script. Pass. Permission denied. Ah. 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 Why would it say that? Don't I have God permission? Permission denied. Ah. Um. Ugh. It's doing the JSON before it does the auth? I guess it does. Okay, was it? Oh. Oh, I can't like lock in and like go like this. It's uncomfortable. It's forcing me to have just a good posture. Like my hand feels amazing. This is definitely not my usual posture. Ugh. Why? Why does it be doing like this? It would be nice if it didn't be doing like this. Huh? 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 Mm. Why would there be a permission error? Hmm. Ooh, bubble wrap. I don't get it. Ha- I don't know. Service. Script policy. So it's basically right here. Update script policy. If not user info roles script right. Is that a real value? Am I stupid? Security. How does that happen? Script right. Who did this? I see. So no one ever has script write permission. Okay, so it is massively my fault. And I should have looked at this code to begin with. Human music. Okay, what the hell? Okay. Goop. Goop. Man, I'm like getting fidgety, having this like unnatural posture that's like the most natural posture. What am I doing? That's right. Going to communities. Too fast. Sure. Sure. Hey. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why that was not there. I don't think this is used anywhere. Oh. What the hell? Set submission completed. That. Oh, never. I see. Okay. You don't get it. I don't know how that's going to work. Okay. Whatever. It'll happen later. Okay, let's try this again. So what happened is I didn't actually implement the permission code. I just literally just didn't do it. Like a dummy. Surely. So literally, it just literally didn't add the right permission to my list of roles. Right, I should change this to suck less. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Docker, do it. All right, I'm in. Does this thing need to go again as well? Apparently it does. What did I? Okay. Okay, we go again. Give me that. You done? Okay. Do it again. Boom. And it's got it. Boom. New version. Boom. Pass. Boom. Next script! Okay, so it did something, presumably. So let's check. So previously, the number of script policies that were replacement policies was 446, and I just reviewed one remotely to my local database. It should be 447. Ah! Review! Okay, well, that's the entire review process. I don't actually need to test it anymore. I mean, I might run into some like winky dinky edge case with like hashes or something, but I don't really want to review these scripts if I'm being honest. B-Hop Beach? Like, who picked this map? I guess I picked a map that will never get back into main. Like the beginning of the map, fine. This part, fine. The moving jellyfish, what the hell, but fine. This part, why? It does not spark joy. Okay, well, there it is. I tested my script review tool and reviewed a script. So I'm going to mint the submissions API. Let's do that. How do I do that? I think I go here. So I go like, and then it'll do it for sure, for real. Then we go to, this can go away, this thing, and we can undo this as soon as this is done. It is done. Goodbye. So now it should Lock in. Let's go. Okay. So this stuff should be part of the original comment. So I'm just gonna like. Just like fix. Okay. Great. So I think this can go master. Don't. How do I fix this? This has to die. There we go. Okay. Oop. It should be not too crazy. Yeah, okay. Okay. There it is. Okay. Script review tool. So now I don't immediately need a script review web page. I can just kind of manage. Okay, so well, the next thing, the missing piece right now is the releaser, but I just released new maps, so we don't really need that. Really, it should be ready. With the caveat that the website is like looking like this. So like these buttons work, but they're not also supposed to be shown. And like, okay, so basically what needs to happen is the submission create page must work. The submission review buttons must work. And that's it. The process is going to be super janky. Like you'll have no idea what the validation server is thinking. It'll just like silently fail or silently succeed. Oh, but whatever. Whatever. Okay, I'm making a little summary of what needs to be done. Um, uh, I will write a summary. This is not needed. Boy, 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 boy. I'm stealing your session ID. Joke's on you. All these are old session IDs. Here's my new session ID. There it is. Oh, uh, uh, okay, so web. Where are my buttons? Okay, so Baba, this is just great. Okay, so I need to outline when each of these are visible. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so submit role. Really, I should. Whew. Oh. What did I call the thing? Model. Release. Yeah, map mm. I'm in. Um. Yeah, validated. Yagoo. Uh. So completed is not a actual thing that needs to happen because it's not checked at the moment. Yeah. Let's see. Did I miss anything? So I'm gonna go look at the submissions. Please don't kill me. Yeah. Okay, more luck. Submitted. Yeah. I'm already using the pipe. Mm. Huh? Why did I go over there? I see. Yes, I see. So these are the same thing, but the button um, text is different. It calls the same endpoint. Oof. Okay, cool. Okay, so that is... Where's the title? Neat. Did the button ever work? I will see about that. Um, um, how do we know? Does the... Does it when you call submission, does it send... What does that make any sense? Submission. I don't think that makes any sense. I think that the client should know somehow. Oh my god. Okay, I test submission create page. Oh, did that just work? Why is the game ID 1 trillion? I mean, it made it. Okay, so it works. Yes. Oh, I didn't mean to send that right now. Crap. Okay. Great. Whoa. Um. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this worked. Um. Uh. How? Okay, cool. Okay. It is so close. So close. Ooh. Time to learn web development. Did you see it? Like, what is going on? It's JavaScript. Oh my gosh. Well, I did it. I held up my end of the bargain. I made the back end. Whew. So much more of my torso is above the table with this chair. It's so much taller. Oy, oy, oy. Eh. Okay, so the question is, how does the website know what roles you have? Multiple buttons can be visible at once. Yeah. This is just great. Go. Okay. Well, as far as I'm aware, it's done. It's all web, and we need like privacy policy for the Roblox OAuth. But great. I did it. I made a map making website. Well, I'm gonna Map making website backend. Oh, oh, oh. Holy. Hey, hey, hey. I have a funny. Submissions. Accept. Meow. So. Oh. Oh. Damn. I would have to check it. Yeah. Accepting your own submission. I was going to prevent it, but it makes another database request. Cringe. Because, like, you got to read it. Well, I'm done. I did all the thing. Oof. Can I do anything else? I mean, the website, if I knew how to do it. I have no idea how to make these like visible and not visible. I don't know how that information is going to get to the buttons. How does it know what the role is? For now, it can just like use the status. Whew. It feels so close, but I just know it's going to take some time. Oh, it's there. Oh. Wait. Who is doing this? Oh, it is. Wow. I'm like, this sample sounds familiar. Isn't that funny? Damn. 1980. Crazy. Well, I don't have anything else to do. I don't know how to do anything else. Holy. Time to be up. I'll give it a go on the new. Oh. Wow. I mean, I'm doing okay. Oh, I'm doing okay. Definitely, or probably the mouse pad should be moved up closer. I don't know. I don't know what my what the result is. Whoa, of the chair. Surely it makes me a better gamer, right? Chair result. Whoa. Oh, did you see I got a new chair? Better the chair. Yeah, the more gaming the chair. Gotta do chair reveal. Chair reveal is so funny. So hard. The contrast is so bad. What if I like stand behind it? That doesn't help at all. It is yeah, it's definitely a tall chair. My feet don't reach the ground, but or they do. My toes reach the ground, but it makes my thighs uncomfortable. So I put a little footstool underneath with a pillow, and that's working. But the greatest bit is that my arms rest flat on the table, and instead of being like this, like that people. There's a guy that came into the stream and is like, dude, you gotta respect your back, respect your joints. I just didn't have a chair. What else? Oh yeah, it's interesting. There's so much more of my torso showing on camera now. Before I was like a little gremlin under the table up to here or something. Optimized posture. Yeah, that's the point. Definitely feeling good about the chair. Work optimized. Well, how much was it? I got it as a present for Christmas. Thanks, Santa. Santa was extremely generous. Do you know what it is? Those who know. No. It is the best of the best. Brand name. Office chair. Mr. Miller. Yeah, that's the one. It's the Herman Miller Aeron. Just what I wanted. You are prevented. You cannot have bad posture when sitting in this chair. Forced posture. It's got a little lumbar support, like. Ooh. My lumbar feels so supported right now. Light work. Yeah. But like that's an investment in your back for the rest of your life. So if you're someone like me, that's totally worth it. On the computer all day, every day. But I don't know what else can I work on. Last 2 years, God, I hope so. Like, I hope it lasts 20 years at least. Throwing it around and jumping on it. I mean, who knows? Ooey, ooey, ooey. Why don't I add the guy? Sustain a few throws. Over the edge. Off the balcony. Oh, it made it! Wow. Oh yeah. No YouTube. I don't have my like stream working. Irritating. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to think of more stuff. Maybe I'll work on the releaser? Whew. We should be able to, as soon as like these last few things get together, we should be able to test map fixes. Like we should be able to put up the website, the testing version of the website, test it, and it should go through the pipeline and actually upload a map fix to the test map. Should be ready to do that. Like maybe even right, but like there's a limited number of people that can log in because of the OAuth thing. So yeah, those I put a message in the development channel on the Be Open Surf Discord of like what remaining work there is to do that isn't me. Great. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna eat something probably. I just click buttons now. Okay. Well, goodbye. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll probably work on the releaser because I can work ahead on that. Goodbye. Replicating it. I mean, material design basically.